So today we're going to be talking about the insurance industry's knowledge and understanding of RegTech. When you initially have that first conversation with prospect, how much awareness do they already have of the software? And furthermore, how has the market's perception of RegTech changed throughout the COVID-19 pandemic? And if a shift towards distributed working has highlighted the need for the software even more? So the first question, you talk to all kinds of people in insurance about Reg. Is there one thing that stands out among them?
Yeah, for me, it's mainly everybody understands the necessity to trade compliantly, but everyone still sees that as a big and costly challenge. It isn't. In fact, it's completely the opposite, and some of our prospects are pleasantly surprised around that. SaaS solutions are a relatively new concept in the insurance world, so a lot of prospects we meet are really surprised, pleasantly surprised, when we explain how easy it is to access the data. And as so many people are working from home at the moment, staying connected to their colleagues and other departments around the business is vital. I think also in terms of agency management, everybody wants to be able to make instant decisions and access those decisions and get a state of play as how the world is at any given time. Not really going to ask somebody in a compliance team or another team, which could take up time.
Yeah. I think the point of saving time and resources is key. It's massive. People have realised that you really can do everything almost in one place with the network, and it's also a great way to network. It's all in the title, and stay in touch through the live alerts, what's going on in the insurance industry, and more importantly, your connections in particular.
Thank you. So when you first have those initial conversations with a prospect or a lead, what are the key benefits of the software that stands out to them when considering adopting a RegTech solution?
I think from talking to like leads and prospects on the phone, like they're all becoming, more confident in like signing documents electronically. So I think, and obviously from everyone working from home, that's a massive bonus, isn't it? So using RegTech, we've managed to save 1 million pieces of paper, which is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, and I think it's allowed us as a company to definitely stay green, help the environment, which is a massive trend at the moment. And of course, all within the click of buttons. So again, as Ady touched on initially, you're saving so much time and even man time with staff having to chase things up, having to sign and scan, have a printer at home. I mean, believe it or not, some people may not have printers or scanners at the touch of a hand at home, whereas Reg allows you to do everything you need to do without those facilities.
So would you say exchanging tokens digitally is one of the main key benefits that prospects, are drawn to of the software?
Yeah, I think also that goes hand in hand with all of the features of the software, is that you've got that full audit trail as well. So every document that you've sent, every document that you've signed, there's a date stamp and there's evidence there throughout, and that's not just on the TOBAs, that's everything. The alerts for me are also crucial as well. They hit your inbox pretty much straight away, and you can instantly start to have your own internal conversations with any action you want to take straight away. So having that peace of mind, that behind the scenes, the APIs automated and working 24/7, and also now you can do that from any internet-enabled device that you're working from. You don't have to be sat in front of your laptop. If you have got mobile access or iPads or anything like that, you can gain access to the platform via the cloud on any device.
Amazing. We all know the biggest challenges facing the insurance industry are manual, costly and time-consuming processes. What other pain points do you believe influence the insurance industry to adopt or consider using a RegTech solution?
It's a good point. I think people are very familiar with spreadsheets because they've been using them for so long mainly. So a move to a cloud-based solution can at first seem a little daunting. But when you think of it, most of us live our lives via app-based processes. Most of us do our life admin via apps these days. That's all saved on the cloud. You know, if you think of your banking, your utilities, even your shopping. And the first thing that most of us will do these days, if we want to purchase something or look up something or research something, is to gravitate online. So if there is a simple, faster, smarter, safer solution, there's no different than what we do on a daily basis in our lives with way less sensitive data. And that's evident that when we begin to walk through the software with our prospects, they get very comfortable very quickly once they see it up and running. The data's constantly changing, and unless you're receiving alerts, you could go a long period of time before even realizing that something's changed.
Yeah, I know that a lot of the leads and prospects I've certainly spoken to, and in fact even demoed the platform to, realize how simple and user-friendly the network is. As Ady said, it can seem daunting for those that are used to doing more manual processes, but this is the new way that people work, and I think it's definitely an easy platform to adopt and get on board with very quickly.
So would you say, you know, the manual spreadsheets, you know, collecting and analysing all of that data is the biggest sort of driver for people to switch to a cloud-based solution like Reg?
Yeah, I also think with Reg as well, we've got the element of our dashboard, which sort of summarises all of your data across the network in one place. It's aesthetically pleasing, it's great for board meetings and packs, and if at any given time you were asked to give a summary of the business, your connections, your business connections, you really can do that in seconds with a snapshot in one place. So that touches on the time and all of the different benefits we've discussed on this call today.
Perfect. Yeah, it really is that, you know, seamless one place thing that everybody loves. So one of our customers recently stated that the Reg network is a tool the insurance industry needs to get hold of. Do you think distributed working has highlighted the importance of RegTech adoption even more? Are people beginning to view the software as more of a necessity? How do you think the pandemic has influenced the market's perception?
So I believe the ability to offer and access cloud-based solutions has become absolutely crucial during the current climate. The SaaS market has allowed companies such as Reg and our customers that it serves to continue operating seamlessly throughout these unprecedented times. I think the reality is COVID-19 has highlighted the importance of cloud computing, which is Reg, and allowed many businesses to stay afloat and power on no matter what was thrown at them or what the new announcements told us. You know, we can work, as Ady said before, faster, smarter and safer. We can save and share our data securely, and most importantly, as you said about COVID-19, operate from anywhere, our own homes included. And the Reg network really does work irrespective of wherever you are. All you really need is Wi-Fi, and I think that is a key benefit of adopting the Reg platform.
Yeah, I think speaking to some prospects, if we cast our mind back, even some existing customers, if we cast our mind back to the initial lockdown of March last year, you know, the overwhelming comment was it was just peace of mind that it was one less thing to worry about, to know that our platform was still up and running and still working behind the scenes for them. So it was one less thing for them to worry about in relation to getting their staff up and running with all the other bits of kit they work with.
Yeah, and I think with Reg, we just tick along in the background, you know, it just, as you said, seamlessly, and it just ticks along, reassures everyone, and you know that it's a safe environment to work within.
Yeah, and people can just focus on other aspects of the business and not have to worry about, you know, the time-consuming due diligence in the background.
Yeah, I think as well, the alert part of our platform is amazing, especially now with everything with COVID-19 and companies, you know, that are in trouble or anything like that. It's the alert system is amazing, and it's really beneficial to have that. Yeah,
they don't have to be searching up for, has this company done this, or what's going on with these specific people and stuff like that.
I think Reg allows you to stay one step ahead at all times, which is reassuring.
Perfect. Well, thank you. Is there anything else you'd like to add in regards to the topic today?
No, I think it's been a really good chat, to be honest. No, nothing more to add from me. Thank you.
Thanks, Zoe.
Thank you, Zoe.
Well, thank you all for your time.
Cheers.